Hi, welcome to block 12 of Paradise. This is going to be a really fun block. This is our last sampler block, and next month we are putting together so many of these. It's going to be very exciting. So the first thing we're going to do is we're making our 4 patches. We're going to start with 2 strips. The strips are 2.5 inches by 21 or 22 inches. You're going to sew them together with a good 1/4 inch seam, and then we're going to cut them into 2.5 inch sections. Now when we do this, these are going to be sewn together. You're going to trim up your end, and when you trim up your end, what you want to do is line up your ruler with your seam. That's going to keep these 2 pieces parallel, okay? And you're going to cut here. You're going to flip your whole piece over, and when you continue to cut and measure, you're going to use this right along your center line as you cut your 2.5 inch pieces. You are going to be making 8 of them, and then you're going to take your 2 pieces, flip them around, and make 4 patches, okay? If you're a person that presses to the side, we usually press to the dark, and when you flip these around, your seams are going to nest, okay? There you go. So we're going to make 4 of these with the dark purple and then the purple blue there. We are next going to be making an hourglass. Now the hourglass is going to be made with fabric number 8 and fabric number 10 and 12, okay? So your hourglasses are going to be ending up like this. You have 2 pieces that are fabric 8, and then you have 1 that is 10, and then 1 that is 12. So you are going to sew a purple and a blue together, and a purple and a blue together. Half square triangles, so you're going to mark your center, sew a 1/4 inch on each side. These start out from 6 inch squares, okay? And then you're going to cut these in half to make 2 half square triangles. From here, we're going to press these open. We're going to press towards the blue, and that way these seams are going to nest, because you're going to take this and nest these together. And when you nest these together, you want to make sure that your 2 blues are lined up, and you are going to mark your center, sew a 1/4 inch on each side, and from this piece you will get 2 hourglass pieces. So you'll be making 4 of them all together. These are oversized, so you're going to trim these down from your center into 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. Okay, so you'll have 4 hourglasses. Then your centerpiece is our square in a square, fabric number 7 and fabric number 11. And then we're going to put our block together. So when we put our block together, the blues are making points all the way around. So we have the purple dots in the middle. We have the dark purples on the outside, and we're putting our 4 patches all the way around. And the way that you can remember how to do this is the purples are making this chain all the way around your block. Okay, the dark purples are making a chain all the way around. Your blues are angled in. So that is block 12, and we'll see you next month.